Morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. Today is the 30th of September 2022, and this is my chart breakdown for the last day of September. A little recap from last week. This market was painting here on US30. This candle was painting, and I said potentially this level here was broken with this candle and potentially this candle that was floating. Turned out that this candle did not close bearish for us to say this level was broken, and as such we got a bullish break, which I said if I saw, I'll go on lower time frame. We see that bullish break and the market pushed higher. We can see that the market retested this level here and fell back down, is giving some type of higher low in this area, whole area here, and still this level is still failing to break. On this side of the chart, we see a bearish push with seller's exhaustion, a bullish candle with seller's exhaustion, a bearish candle with seller's exhaustion, and currently a floating bullish candle. We want to see if this candle closes bearish, then it seems that the sellers are back in this market. Then they might want to push this market to fill this week here or go down. But if we go on the monthly, we see that this is the last day of the month, and this candle is closing bearish already. So it might just still close bearish, or it pushes up to close a little bit with seller's exhaustion. If we check what it looks like on the weekly, bearish with a little exhaustion. This current weekly candle is closing with a little bit of exhaustion, also floating with a little bit of exhaustion, sorry. On the daily time frame, we see why that exhaustion is painting with this bullish candle here. We had another bearish candle, but still with seller's exhaustion, just still telling us that the sellers are being exhausted in this market, which means we might have a steep bullish run. So we might just see this market push back up here for another 400 to 500 points, or even go as high as 29,700. We might see this market push from where it's at to 29,500, 29,600, 29,700. If it does not push that way, and if we see bearish presence, then we might push it down to 28,700, and even with the quarter point theory of 28,500. So we have 28,750. We have 28,500, 28,250, and 28,000. Those are certain price points that we might see the market reject off of. So that's that for US30. AUDUSD was around here, was floating here. I said I was still looking to take more sales, but if I see a break of this level, then I'll be buyers. We see that break, we see that bullish close, but the market is still seeming like it's in a lower high scenario, because this is not considered a bullish break, since we had a bullish doji bearish, so this level still holds. But on the downside, we see that the market is forming some type of higher low. On this side of the market, I really have to be honest, I really do not know if I should be on the sideline or be a buyer or seller. So I'll just watch and see what the market wants to do. But if I have to take a stand, I think the market, based off of the whole exhaustion is given, might want to push a little bit to the upside. but it might still go down a little bit. That we do not know, um, since it's Friday, and a lot might happen. The weekly time frame is showing a little bit of buyer sellers exhaustion also, which is why I said we might see this market push a little bit higher. But if we do this, the only way I'll start to be a confirmed seller would be a break of this level. That means I want to push the market lower to this point, or maybe this point, or maybe even to the weekly low. If that does not happen, then we might just push. This market might still push upward. USD I said if I saw a break of this level first, the market was around here where I said if I see a bullish break, then it might want to go bullish. But if I did not see that bullish break, then it might go down. And I further went on to say if I see a break of this level, I will be seller. We see that break, which was why I dropped this around that point. I would be a seller. You see that retest and the push down. As of this moment, this low is failing to break. If I see a bearish close below this level, that means it's going down. If not, as of this moment, this market might want to push a little bit higher to give another point of lower high, or if we can do one better and go on daily. On the daily time frame, that level that we see on the H4 is not being seen. So there is also another potential that the market would push higher. But the potential of it going down is more, because on the weekly time frame, we see that this level is still holding. This level has a lot of buyers exhaustion. So there is a higher potential of this market going down in the long run. So we might just see this push a little bit up before going down, or if we see the market break this low here, we might keep pushing the market down. The market will keep pushing lower and lower. On the crypto side of things, I said if we did not see that break of this low here, we are going to be stuck in a consolidation. Turns out we are really stuck in that consolidation. We are stuck in that consolidation, and this market might drop back down, or if it breaks this high here, we are a little bit on the bull side, because these candles are giving some sort of higher lows. So we might just see this market push higher. Either way, we have to get valid reasons before we make that trading decision. ETH also, ETH is not breaking anywhere, and as such, we are stuck in that consolidation until the market makes a move, until the market says where it wants to go. When it does that, then we'll follow the market suit. That is all. I think I should just check this DXY, and then this shows bearish presence. So USD CHF has a higher potential of going down than going up. So that's thank you guys for this week, and thank you for this month. It was an amazing month, coming back to giving the chart breakdown. And let's hope that next month we see more of these sessions. I just want it to be a little more interactive. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on all social platforms at King Alxnda. Share with your friends, ask questions, and I'll see you guys next month, which turns out to be next week. So take care, goodbye, and God bless.